Hello everyone, this video is about Roblox error code 264. So I will show you a few solutions to get this error fixed. Please follow the steps with me and let's jump into it. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do to stop the game that is running in the background. So to do that, right click on Windows Start button and open up your task manager. In here you need to look for the Roblox game client, and once you find it, just right click on it and select End Task. The next solution is to change or check the DNS server in your computer. So to do that, on your keyboard press Windows key and R to open up Run. And type in here ncpa.cpl. And then just click OK. Over here, choose the internet connection that you're working on. So in my case, I'm working on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to right click on Wi-Fi and select Properties. And next in here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server address, and for preferred DNS server type in there 8.8.8.8, and then for the bottom one, which is alternative DNS server, type in there 8.8.4.4. Also make sure to check this option, validate settings upon exit. Just in case you have already selected this option in the past and it still is not working, then you can just choose the top one which says obtain DNS server address automatically and just click OK. And next, close all this and open up your command prompt. So to open up the command prompt, just go to search and type in there cmd. And make sure you run the command prompt as an administrator. You need to copy and paste all these commands in here one by one. These commands will clear the DNS caches. I will also leave the commands in the video description. After you've done this, then just close this one and open up Run. So to do that, just press Windows key and R on your keyboard. In here, look for Roblox folder and delete it. So after you deleted the Roblox folder, then open up your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. On the top, click on these three dots, then select Settings. On the left, click on Privacy and Security. Then select this one, Cookies and Other Site Data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Over here where it says Search, in the search bar type Roblox, and anything to do with Roblox, just delete them. And once you're done, then you need to restart your device. After you restarted your device, if you're still having an issue with Roblox, then it's better to reinstall it again. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.